And y'all know I love me some Trader Joe's. Welcome back to Single Black Vegan, the channel where I discuss all vegan things, some things not so vegan, like sometimes I do reviews on wigs, I do reviews on makeup, but today I am doing a review for Trader Joe's. And like Trader Joe's typically doesn't miss, they typically hit. But I tried their shepherd's pie, the vegan shepherd's pie, and I ain't like it. I ain't like it. It comes with green lentils, butternut squash, kale, mushrooms. Y'all, it comes with a lot of mushrooms. And it's in this gravy, and then it's topped with a cauliflower and potato topping. I don't like mushrooms. And when I saw that it had mushrooms, I just assumed that it was going to be like some small mushrooms, you know, a little few here or there, you know, yin around the house. But it was like every time I put my fork in there, there was another mushroom. So I just politely took that little mushroom, put it to the side. Okay, go in for another bite. It's another mushroom. And I'm talking about big old mushroom. And so, yeah, I just didn't like it. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I was being grossed out by all the mushrooms because I don't like mushrooms. But it just wasn't giving me what it was supposed to have gave. I wasted my money. For real. Like, I didn't like it. So, I get 2 thumbs down from me. And y'all know I love Trader Joe's. But, sorry. Did not like the vegan shepherd's pie. Alright, y'all. That's it. That's really all I had to say about that. Now, if y'all done had it in the comments, maybe y'all can tell me what to do to kind of spruce it up a little bit. But I'm never going to get past the mushrooms. So, it's a no for me, dog. But if you like mushrooms, you'll probably like this. Yeah, but I wasn't a fan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also hit that notification bell so that you know anytime I upload new content. Peace.